and even investors, everyone is undecided, and there's so much fear about the market. But I have a plan. I can share my plan. It may help for you to save your portfolio. If it's so, please use it. If not, take your own decisions. My plan is, because market is volatile, undecided. I show you in a minute on a chart on S&P 500. Government shutdown. If on tomorrow and Friday, unemployment rate go higher, then the market has good news. Bad news for the employment, good news for the market. Why? As I hope you already know that, because if the unemployment rate go higher, the Fed will feel that there's uncertainty in the market, and they will reduce the interest rate, and this is good for the market for small caps. But it's not a good news for in general. I'm just telling you what's the situation right now. So my plan is, let me show you the first S&P 500. If you will see here, if you watch my video day before yesterday on Friday, I said market is not going anywhere, because I made a video on Thursday, and I say we can expecting this candle and undecided, and then we have a target to this 670. But due to the drama of market shutdown, or the unemployment rate, or the government shutdown, so there is uncertainty. So what I will do, I will not doing any stop loss or for my portfolio, but this is not a financial advice. Instead of using a stop loss, I will buy VIX. I will show you. VIX is a highly volatile index. So if you will see VIX here, I'm going to show you in a second. So when the fear in the market, it spike, it go against the market. You from here is a $15 and go up to $21. When the heavy fear, $19 to $105 or maybe more, $60. So my plan is very simple. So I'm buying VIX here for 1 week, because in my opinion, if we pass through Friday, market will have a direction. Right now, the market has undecided. If I show you S&P 500 very quick, and in the 4-hour chart, this is the doji candle, undecided. If you will see what I'm talking to you guys. So I'm buying VIX. So most likely I will buy a VIX options. I can go maybe, because this is a very short-term play for me. I will go maybe, let's say I will go November or October, or maybe October 22nd. And then this is my, call it $16.50, or I can maybe go lower, maybe October 15, again 165. These are my contracts. I can buy, maybe get this contract or maybe this contract. I can get maybe 10 or 20 in case, if depending on your portfolio, depending on your risk management. In my opinion, I feel I will buy 20 of these. It cost me like a $2,000 or $2,600 or $3,000. Even if I will go a stop loss, I will definitely lose a money of $3,000 to $4,000 or $5,000 with a stop loss, because stop loss will hit, and then market, because long term I'm a bullish. So if I'm a long term bullish, so my goal is to save my portfolio, like a buy an insurance kind of stuff, to save in case my stocks go lower, I have something that go higher. But it's only for 1 week. If I pray for everybody, market will not go down. Honestly, this is I also have the same portfolio that you have it, and I think the same way that you think. Instead of, I repeat, let me recap myself. Instead of doing a stop loss means you reducing your profit, right? That's a stop loss. So reducing profit, if I have 15 or 20 or 30 or 40, 50 stocks, even if I'm losing $300, $200 in each stock, I will lose a lot of money, right? So for my portfolio, if I have 10 stocks, I'll buy 1 call for a VIX, because 1 call help me to recover that loss. If I have 20, I'll buy 2, or maybe I can multiply with a 4, right? If I have 50, I'll buy 10. If I have 100, I will buy 20. So kind of that, you can calculate by yourself what fit you. So then I will thinking that if it go $21, the VIX from 16 to 21, $5 difference. So $500 per trade approximately. So this will be my risk management. And then I will sell right there 21 or 20. As soon as I see some profit, I'll sell it. Because long term, I'm a bullish. I don't want to VIX for long hold. In case, that's another scenario, market will go higher tomorrow. That's why I like it. And then my options will lose money. But how much? How much? 10 bucks, 20 bucks? I'm happy to give $400, $500 to the VIX for decay. And then I have a safety and peace of mind until Friday. This is my game plan. I hope you understand. Instead of going a stop loss, I'm going to the different way, buying a VIX. Sorry about that. So I'm buying a VIX, and then VIX will help me to save my portfolio, and then I will go for the $16 or $15 call and holding for 1 to 2 weeks. Once this drama will over, the Friday will be over, I will sell as a loss or profit, whatever. So in the both cases, this is my game plan. It's better to go with a plan than going without a plan. Do you have plan for tomorrow? Do you have plan for Friday? If the unemployment rate report going against, if you go very good report and it send a message to Fed, no rate cut. So are you prepared for that? Or if the government shut down, and then in that case, those reports will not be delivered, and then Fed will be undecided, again is a bad news for the market. So I have a plan. Let me know what is your plan. Thank you very much for watching.